The last step of the dragster is to put the wheels onto the car and put racing hooks in the bottom of the car. To start, you're going to want to pick the 4 wheels that you're going to use. We need some axle rods, a cutter to cut the axle rods, and a hammer. Before we attach the wheels, the first thing we want to do is take our cordless drill, and we just want to get any debris that's inside of our axle holes out of there. So we're just going to run the drill through there quickly, pull the trigger, and it runs. Follow the hole that's already put there, in and back out, clean it off, you're ready to install the wheels. With my wheels, I'm going to go ahead and take one of my axles, put the wheel against the table like this, take the axle, and we're going to hammer it into the center of the wheel. Just lightly tap. It should go all the way in. You should kind of hear a difference once the axle hits the table and it's the whole way into the wheel. Don't hit this too hard, you'll bend the axle, and we want a nice straight axle that'll help your car go faster. I'm going to put this through my car body now. Take my clippers, and I want about 1/4 of an inch extra on the outside of the car body. I don't want my wheels to rub right up against the car body or it will slow it down, so I want just a little bit of extra axle so that they spin freely. Pinch and cut it. Now we're going to kind of do the same process for attaching the wheel, but the car body will have to be in between. So line it back up. I'm always putting, whatever wheel I'm putting on the axle, that is the wheel against the table. Tap nice and light again with the hammer until it's on. If the wheels are a little bit too snug, you can try kind of pulling and twisting apart just a little bit to get a little bit of space, but these spin pretty well already, so I'm good there. I'm going to repeat for the front. So we'll take our axle, we're going to hammer that into the wheel, put it back through the car body, clip it, and apply the second wheel. Again, the wheel I'm putting on is against the table. Test it out, spins very well. That's what we want. Last step, we're gonna put on our racing screw eyes or hooks. They'll be in this clear container. Most of us will use this small one. Some might have to use one of these larger ones. This is in rare circumstances. What I'm gonna do, I need them lined up in the center on the belly of the car. One towards the front somewhere, one towards the back somewhere. I need them to be on the same level because a string on the racetrack goes through these. We sit it on the racetrack like this, and that string on the track helps the car to go straight when we race it. So all I do is take my screw eye, press hard into it, and twist to the right, and keep twisting to the right until it's the whole way in, and it should look like this. And that's it.